Yeah, welcome everybody. Today, I'm going to be showing you all how to make money on YouTube. But before we begin, if you are new here and you are not subscribed to this channel, I want you all to kindly like this video, hit that subscribe button, and tap on that bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Now, today we are going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube. Making money on YouTube can be tricky, but you'll get a hang of it once you have proper guidance, which is why I'm making this video. Now, let's begin. To make money on YouTube, you first have to get monetized. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers with a minimum of 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views. You also need to complete two-step verification and follow certain community guidelines. Yeah, you must not have any active community guideline strikes in the last 90 days. Now, YouTube might not tell you this, but you also need to have less copyright claims. If possible, don't have any copyright claim. Now, let's get into details and look at the YouTube monetization terms and policies. A lot of people might, not feel like reading it because it's too long, so I'll briefly summarize it for you all. Now, here's what YouTube will check when they want to review your channel. They will check the main theme of your channel. That is, what your channel is about, or are you just a YouTuber that is basically posting everything? Like, if you look at my channel now, Standard Finance and Tech, I post like mostly finance, but sometimes I post tech. So I'm based on only finance and tech. So YouTube checks this so they would know how to recommend your content to other viewers. So yeah, they would also check your most viewed videos. Yeah, they would check your most viewed videos for the the duration, how you made it, the quality. Yeah, they would also check your newest videos. Then apart from that, they will check your biggest proportion of watch time, your watch hours, like which video gave you the most watch hours, your most watch hours. They will also check your video metadata, the titles of your video, to make sure it doesn't go against any policy. They will check your thumbnails, like high quality thumbnails, like how is your thumbnails and everything. They will also check your descriptions to make sure you are not putting in any link that does not go with the terms and policies of YouTube. Yes, so they said the above are just examples of content our reviewers may access. Note that our reviewers can and may check other parts of your channel to see whether it fully meets our policies. Yeah, that's just basically a few out of the things YouTube will check. YouTube can check other things, like the opportunity to check other things, your total views, everything. They can check. In fact, they can check all your videos if they want to, but those are just the main things they are going to check. So yeah, I think I've talked about this. Follow community guidelines. You have to also follow AdSense program policies, because it's AdSense that would approve if your channel is eligible for monetization or not. So okay, you can see this repetitious content. Repetitious content refers to channels where the content is so similar. This simply means just like you taking another person's content on YouTube and posting it. It's not compulsory, it must be from only YouTube. Maybe you take a content from Twitter and you just post it like that. Then another YouTuber takes the same content and posts it. There has to be a difference. Maybe you should react to it. It should just be, it can be the same clip, but it should be different. Different content. If it's the same thing, you can't be approved for monetization. So yeah, what is allowed to monetize? Example of what is allowed to monetize: same intro and outro for your videos, but the bulk of your content is different. Yeah, you can use the same intro and the same outro for all your videos, and you will still be monetized. So you can get monetized when you explain. Let's say you take a clip from YouTube or another platform, then you like explain in details, give it a voiceover. Yeah, once you are done with all that and you find out you didn't violate any policy, you now move to the next step. Before you can be monetized on YouTube, you have to verify your identity or payments information. Your legal name, address, date of birth on your government ID. You can either use your driver's license, your international passport, or your national ID card. Yeah, so abuse. Now, I don't think I cannot scroll through this page and read everything to you, but so let me just basically explain what this means. Now, the name on your government ID card has to match the name you are going to use on your AdSense account. First name needs to be the first name, last name needs to be a last name. Even if it's one letter mistake, if you make a mistake and it's just one letter, you won't be monetized. It has to be the same thing. Your address has to be the exact same thing. Once you pass channel review and you eventually become a YouTube partner, here are some perks you would have access to. You can make money from the shorts feed ads. Now YouTube just started it this month. You can actually make money from shorts. Shorts videos basically get a lot of views. Every creators to make shorts, and it's easier. Just make a short video and it's likely to go viral. Shorts is likely to go viral than normal videos. Yeah, so there are lots. You can also make money like by posting your merch link, anything, video about. Yeah, there's a lot of ways to make money on YouTube. But apart from now, let's move on. The main way you make money on YouTube is by creating content. Now let me move to my dashboard. You can see in the last 28 days I had 118,000 views. I had 1.8 thousand watch hours and I earned $86. Now a lot of you might think, wow, that's too small, that's too low. Yeah, I know it's too small. We've been sending mails to YouTube, but I don't know. That's what I'd like to explain. The amount of money you would earn varies on the country where you are from. Like now, I'm from an African country. RPM here is so terrible, man. Yeah, I would like to also explain what RPM and CPM means. Yeah, CPM is basically the amount advertisers pay for every 1,000 views. RPM is the amount that YouTube would pay you out of that money. Like now, advertisers are paying me 2.5 USD for every 1,000 views. Now YouTube will take down, and I'll take another part. Let me break it down. Let me show you a video of my RPM and CPM. Now this video has 2.3 thousand views. That's 2,300 views, and it's made just 0.4 USD. Although it has a 1-day delay, it hasn't yet been updated. But let's move to revenue. You can see, so yeah, this is the CPM, 2.5 USD, and the RPM, revenues for every 1k views, is 1 USD. So that means I get 1.1 USD for every 1,000 views I get. This is another video. Advertisers are paying 1 USD, 1.8 USD for every 1,000 views I get, and YouTube would give me 0.51 USD for every 1,000 views I get on my channel. You can see that's so low, but it depends on the niche. Like this channel I'm showing you now is an African entertainment channel, and I'm telling you it's very low here. But if you want to, you can go and check out those that are doing finance like me, and tech. They have the highest RPMs. Also those doing education content. So, but I'm not saying you should do YouTube because of the money, but do what works for you. People that also entertainment YouTubers get a lot of views. So when you look at it on the bright side, they are also earning something tangible. So yeah, that's basically everything on making money on YouTube for now. I'll still make more videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Also enable notifications so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video.